So here's how you can make the archive folder in Outlook on the iPhone. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time here, subscribe and we can get started. So I open up the Outlook, of course, and I can manage all of my emails and everything as it is. So the way that it would work is that I can get inside the Outlook and tap on my profile picture in the top left. This pulls out the side panel and I can manage my folders in here. So if I want to add or change anything in here, I tap on the pencil icon next to it and I have the ability to reorganize it or add some stuff to it. So I can already see the archive folder in there, right? So it should definitely be visible. And yeah, you can just like move it around and so on, but you can always click on the plus button and start a new folder. So let's say that I'm going to choose it to be the archive number 2, right? So I'm going to create it like this, and it basically means that I can move stuff and emails between individual folders, and I decided that I don't move them into the archive 1 but into the archive 2. So it is kind of a specific use case, depends on what you're trying to do with it or what the goal is, but this is generally how you can create the folders in there. You can potentially even get so many of them that you would need to use the search field to find all of them on your device, but depends on what the goal is, as I said. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below. If you have some more questions or things you want to achieve with it, let me know below. It's possible I'll make more videos about it, but for now that's it, and I'll see you later.